Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shelly Saenz-Haro, and I'm a realtor here in the DFW area. And I want to show you some of the marketing stuff that I have been using just to help our business grow. And I do have an Etsy shop that I want to personally invite you to go take a look. The link will be down below, and you can see if some of this fits your needs as well. All right, let's put our realtor hat on. And then also, of course, you know, as a realtor, we have to be a social butterfly. So I'm adding our social butterfly on, and then now we'll roll up our sleeves to get started with today's video. All right, so I have here easy pumpkin pie recipe, and the whole recipe fits on one little tag. You know what? I need to put my glasses on so I can see here. All right, so we'll cut this tag out. You get 6 tags on a piece of paper, and then of course if you need more than that, you can go ahead, of course, and print out more, since you'll have the PDF to be able to do that if you need it to. But you cut it out, and then you have a hole punch. Hole punch it here, right in the middle, and then what we'll want to do is get a plastic bag. I found this at Kroger. There's it comes with quite a bit. I want to say something like 50 plus, and you'd be able to use them, and it's at a fair price. Then we get some confetti here, we put at the bottom. And then I found this at Dollar Tree, and I was trying to stay with the same theme, so it's pumpkin butter. Ooh, it smells really good. And we'll put that inside like this. And what I do is I'll include my business card, you can see here, and then I'll have keys you can buy from my store as well, since the key is the goal at the end of a closing. And so you can see here, I've attached it, securely attached it here, and I'll include that in the bag. And then what we'll do is we'll give it a turn and get the recipe here, and then let's put this through the hole. While I'm doing this, I wanted to tell you that since I am here a realtor in the DFW area, and let's say that you know someone that is moving to the DFW area, you can use me as a agent, and we'd be able to set up the appropriate documentation for a referral fee. If you want to refer someone to me, be happy to show them around houses. And if you have a listing here in the DFW area as well, if you don't live in the area but you know someone who is listing, be happy to help there as well and set up the appropriate documentation. My information will be listed below. And anyway, so let's just finish here. And I feel like, well, let's make our little bow. That looks cute. And then we will trim some of this here off so it looks a little bit better. There we go. And you'd be able to give this to your clients. All right, well, I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe and to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.